Hi everyone, today is Sunday. I go to Georgi apartment. He sick and about 1 week he not go to outside. Hi Georgi. Georgi first day go outside because he sick. What happened with you? Subscribers? The same problem after aircon. When you go to the cold place, you have problem with nose, yes?
Yes, it begins from my throat and after that nose. So
But
now I don't feel the smell, but feel better.
But already better.
Yes.
So better.
Maybe 3 days and I will feel the smell again. It happens sometimes.
Okay. Are you already full? Not want it?
No,
You don't want it?
I eat at home.
I eat at home. You cook at home. Okay. So we will walk little bit with Georgi. Maybe we go into Perimeter Road because 5:30 I need to go to airport, Clark International Airport. Send my friend from Italy. He go home to Italy, and 5:30 he wait me near Tiger Hotel. But now we going to also noisy. We going to Perimeter Road. Georgi said already Margarita station open. He watch video from another blogger. He said already open. That's why we will walk and I will check. Also we can see. It's a park, not good park because it's column here. Cannot good park. I don't know. Not so many space here for car, but it's okay. Good weather today, don't have rain. We already near Perimeter Road, near church, Malabania Street. It's very close from Marifa Hotel and Premier Hotel. Near Petron gas station. Skyline apartment. It's near Skyline apartment already. From Margarita station, this is two ladies. It's waitress from Margarita station. Okay, they go to, they use jeepney. Yes. Angeles City, Margarita station. Hi. Good afternoon. Can we take video inside?
Yeah,
It's not problem. I first ask all this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, so many people today and big space and blogger also. Hi. Yes, so many space here. Billiard. Billiard table the same or new, Georgi? Good afternoon. CR, I want to see CR, good? For ladies. For ladies we will not go inside. For guys. Clean. Don't have people, I can take video. access back door. Ага. Restriction area. Okay. Georgi, you can check menu, the same or not. Menu, maybe, or what you want. Ice cream, ice. Excuse me, menu the same or different menu already here? Same menu, same like from all?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Same.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we can see menu. Menu I already show. Internet here. So you need to first to order something, yes?
I think yes. If you order, you
And like voucher. We give voucher to you. If you not order, you cannot connect it to internet, right?
I don't know. I think you got the receipt and the voucher.
Okay. Excuse me. For connect to internet need voucher first, yes?
Yeah.
So first, no. I just for my YouTube phone. So need first to order something and you give the voucher, yeah? Without voucher cannot connect to internet.
Yeah, you cannot.
Oh, it's okay.
But if you want to connect, you got the Wi-Fi over there. So
Have Wi-Fi also. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. I show to my channel.
yeah.
This YouTube channel. If you don't like it, thank you. If you don't like video in my video, just message to me. Thank you. Have Wi-Fi? Router have. Good, but little bit far from the walking street. But very nice place, really very nice. So many space, I like. But what is this? Picture from the old picture. Okay, also. Okay. Georgi. Thank you. Very good place. I will recommend people go to Margarita Station 20. Margarita Station and bar. I think in the future we open swimming pool.
Yeah, it's already open.
Already open. Can I take video or not now?
Take away inside there.
Inside swimming
door,
pool?
Yeah, swimming.
Okay. Georgi, take a look. We're going to check swimming pool. Yes, I want to show people.
Take that door now. You may go.
This door. Okay. Thank you very much. Sorry. О, swimming pool. Barbecue maybe. It's from 5 to 10 p.m. barbecue. They still in construction, but maybe they will put something new here. But nice. Okay, Georgi, let's go. Каширки. Okay, Georgi, let's go. Very good place. Good weather today. Take a walk near bars, okay? We can walk a little bit near bar. I already know. Parking for Margarita station. Where can park car? Here, only here, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hi. What name of bar? What name of bar? Okay, thank you. Wait, I will ask. You can see if you want in my YouTube channel. Wait, I will give name card. Yeah, I come back later and give my name card. Wait. Georgi, name card, have name card? Yes, I will give to girls, they can maybe watch. If they don't like face, they can message to me. Because I forgot in the car. Oh, I already give to another.
The last one.
Okay, I will, this name card. Take a look, this is name card and another back, another side. If you don't like, I blur face. That's why I always give to people who don't like, I not show face. This is my YouTube channel. Candy bar. Great folks, don't have people outside. If don't have people outside, it's meal all inside. Oh, girl outside. Oh. Hi. Hi. But with camera not allowed. Yes, I know. Ducks. Oh, so many ducks. bar ducks from the bar. Hi. Бумеранг фото. Георгий, maybe we will walk. А вот из бара Nifty's and Rio, okay? Nifty's and Rio. It's good. Hi. Boomerang Hotel. Narcissa Street. We already in Narcissa Street, and Georgi want to buy in 7-Eleven medicine. Thank you. Don't have medicine for you? No, yeah, you check. Yeah. What kind of medicine you want? Strepsils here. Yes, strepsils. Already time 5:20. We need to pick up our subscriber. And I go to airport. Georgi, what you thinking about what happened yesterday in the Walking Street? Oh, before yesterday, 2 days ago, from the Walking Street. What you thinking about this guy who hit me in public place?
He, how to say, when he did this, he take more attention to the situation, to him and maybe his son. If you
Yes.
see this, his son was.
Yes,
at
in the
right
back,
side.
maybe his son in the back, and they go to the bar. That's why he want to hide. But why he hit me? I don't understand.
He did not do anything. If he go,
Nobody know him.
yes, nobody noticed. But now other blogger already made video about him. So he is now very popular, and many people know about him. But he don't want to be on the video. But now he is on the video. So if you don't want to be on the video, yeah, but don't do anything, don't tell anything. So just walk, pass through, and maybe later you can email and ask to remove your face. So it's better.
Yes, even thank you guys. If he don't know my YouTube channel, he just say to me, I don't want in the video, just talking. Not need to fight with people who do this, who filming. I think who always aggressive. I don't understand these people. So we already going to the Georgi apartment. Georgi will go home, I will take car and we go into airport. I will go to airport. But Shaira today in Manila, she take camera, she will take video from the swimming pool in Manila. And evening maybe she will arrive, she come back to home, and maybe we go into the Walking Street and party with our Canadian guys. These Canadian guys, one from Ukraine, family from Ukraine, one from Russia, who from Russia long time already live in Canada. Maybe if they want, I will interview. Okay, Georgi, I will go. I wish you soon full recovery and we can continue walk and we'll go. So I will go to the Clark International Airport. Okay, bye. I will open. No, inside. Hi. Are you ready to go to Italy? In Italy now cold or not?
Start to be cold.
Okay, you can put. Yeah.
Yes. Let's go.
Okay, see. Okay, already in the airport.
We are here.
Already Clark International Airport. What time you flight?
Oh, about 9.
Oh, you have time. Good.
Yes, because it's good to go there before they open the check-in.
Mhm.
No queue. No,
Yes.
need to stay long waiting people.
Number 1, number 3. Maybe number 3. Yeah, it's number 3.
I don't know.
No, it's the same.
It's the same.
Yes, because it's entrance. It's
Yes, I went here last time. Go inside after just looking for the right position. Okay.
We'll take. Wait.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
Can I open?
Yes, already can. Good evening.
Look at your airline, sir.
Emirates.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Okay, I will take this. Not need. Okay.
Have the wheel, it's easy.
Yeah, because not so many clothes.
So,
Okay, Christian,
See you
safe
next time.
flight. See you next time in April. You come back to April.
I think so.
Yes, you know my WhatsApp. Message to me, I will pick up you
Yes,
from
we
airport.
talk, just I check my telephone. Yes. See,
Passport you all prepare for.
Yes.
Post.
I already gave you also my number from Italy.
Okay, yes, I know.
Because it's better that because after my SIM.
Okay. You add me my WhatsApp in the Philippines. No, you know already.
Perfect.
Okay,
Leo,
safe
thank
flight.
you very much. and,
You're welcome.
Next time you will be my guest because
No.
eating together.
Okay,
I
okay,
remember
okay,
that,
okay, not problem.
You and your girlfriend, okay?
Okay,
Thank you very much. Again.
okay. Safe flight. See you.
Bye.
Bye.